Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen her hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna be.
Nico the Gallo.
So I got these pegboard things from Dollar Tree. I don't know if you see my last vlog. I showed them in there, but I was trying to put my thread on here to be more organized, and my thread would not go onto the spools. So now I gotta find like some, is that what it's called? I gotta find some smaller hooks for my thread. Building booties, you feel me?
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be you? When you gave me some.
I don't know what's going on with my little bookie boo. She's like, what's going on with this leaf? So I ended up cutting it off. It was a sad moment. And then my twisted tree, I just don't even know. I need to like read some books or like watch YouTube on like plants, how to take care of plants properly, because clearly I'm not doing a great job. I'm about to go to see my daughter's band performance. Like, it's just crazy because I would have never imagined her being in band. But apparently my girl said she's a vocalist, honey. Okay, so I'm gonna go watch her perform, and then I don't know, I'll probably just come back home and just relax my nerves, because I've been working on this dress all day and it is driving me crazy. It's just not coming out how I expected, but it kind of like always happens like that, and then in the end I'm like, wow, this is exactly what I expected. So I'm just trying to like trust the process. But anyways, yeah, so bye. All right, so I just left the package room or whatever you want to call it, and we got some packages. I feel like somebody mama with my nightgown on, period. Yes, honey, it's time for bed. What is y'all still doing up? Go to bed. Good night.
First grade all over again. You're the shiny new toy. Smile.
Rich Rising. So today's content day. I have a bunch of packages I need to open, and then I'm gonna make some content, even though I don't really feel like it, but gotta do what you gotta do. You feel me? My man got me this. I told him that I I needed a massage because my back was hurting. And he was like, I'm gonna buy you a massage thing that I have. And he sent it. Aw, thank you, babe. Yes. So I can lift. Oh, I like that. It says do it any way possible. Okay. Well, I got this clothing rack for my gowns. And hopefully it's easy to put together. A garment rack. It is so cute. It's gold and it is so cute. I'm gonna have my brother put it together. Maybe. I mean, maybe I can do it. I don't know. I just like to let him do stuff. So pretty. Got my rice package. So happy. If you know, you know. All right, so I finished some of my content. Now I am cooking. I don't know, I just got in like the cooking mode, and I'm also juicing. So I got some, let me show y'all right quick. You feel me? I got sweet potatoes, Brussels sprouts, beets, and broccoli. And then I'm gonna make some mushrooms and some rice and beans and some plantain because I need to get rid of this. It looks pretty bad. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to, but yeah. About to go see my man. Okay, calm down. Anyways, I am about to go see my boo and I'm super excited. What was I doing today? Nothing. So I came home to my new dress form. The one that I have right now is a like small medium and I needed a large. So those are the measurements, and now I can actually finish this green dress that I've been working on. And then I need to go ahead and put together my garment rack because I was waiting on my brother and I think I'm just gonna do it myself. Cause I mean, it's like 4 pieces. Like, come on, I should be able to do that. And I just had a prom client. He's getting a customized suit and I'm actually like super tired. It's 5 o'clock. I'm probably just gonna like just chill because I don't really have a lot of energy. I'm gonna eat some leftovers and dang, they walked from all the way over there. What the heck? I'm looking at my client leave and they literally like, they probably couldn't find my apartment. But anyway, I just got so totally distracted. Yeah, I'm about to eat and just chill and enjoy the rest of my Saturday. And then you already know, Sunday, self-care. And then Monday, we back on the grind. Because last week, I feel like I didn't work as hard as I should have or could have. But rest is very important and vital, like I always say. So this week, I'm planning on really getting things done for real, like productive. This is going to be an actual productive week. Let me stop being hard on myself. You did good, girl. You did a great job. Okay, pat yourself on the back. Okay, all right. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. It's super short, super quick, to the point. And I hope you have an amazing weekend and a beautiful new week, new beginning, new blessings, new abundance, new everything. Okay, love you. Also, don't forget, be mindful, love yourself and others, and get out of your own way. Because if you're in the way, how are you gonna get out of the way? Bye.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like